Sanibona Ndumelana Mshini, hi, welcome to Dumithi Delshisa Benga. Funa ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. Well, indaba kaJonas in Netflix, it is trending more than a World Cup. People are talking about the fact that, oh, I've had a Jonasi in my life. Even men are saying that I have been a Jonasi in my life and this life was not good. But hey, I really need to watch this Jonasi situation because what you mean, I don't want to be left out. If for more ingenzani, hopefully by today I'll make sure to watch it. Okay, enough about me and my stories. Well, uHoqaba uye wavela wathi yazi mangibukela uJonas, as people are talking about Jonas, now I had a situation yaka Jonas in my life whereby I don't know if it was the husband or the lady wabapakishela impahla zakhe nabantwana kuma plastic bag, you know those rubbish bag that we put that on so that the people that take ama-dustbin can be able to carry our waste. Wathi nje leyo akase bafake nakuma-bag wavele wathi plastic bag wathatha wathi yay, please get out of my life, phumani empilweni yami angisanifuni. Wathi yo, that Jonasi situation almost broke me. Qabanga nje. Wathi all of this is happening because of uMartina. Now that I have to leave and be kicked out like a dog. Imagine, just because kunomuntu omusha kunekhekhelisha kwamele uqoshwe mina. Wathi ugeli the way bekajabulile wayezibona ewinile, she could not even hide it. Wayetsho ukuthi nje ngafika nje ngashaya isitina sashayeka ngangena mina. Hey, wathi uHoqaba watshela wathi yazi nihlala Mathiba okusalayo sizofana, you just don't know it yet. Angisho mawungena uvela ubone kahle ukuthi hayini yiwinile isikhokho, kanti awazi ukuthi ngendlela ungene ngayo is the same way uyophuma ngayo, but she was not aware at the time. Wathi hey, uyohamba ubatshela ukuthi ngakhishwa yini the day nawo ukhishwa yile simo esakhipha mina. Imagine, because angisho sitshela ukuthi yena she's the boss, she has the best cake in the world, kanti hey ziyafana, it's just that elakho lisaselisha akakabi nama-responsibilities, akakabi nengxaki, hence why you think ukuthi wena ufikile. But and then uHoqaba alleges the fact ukuthi apparently uLulu Menziwa has opened a case against uJonasi, but unfortunately dropped it quickly because what? Maybe love. Vele wabona ngathi singethanda le ndoda, so angifuni ukuthi izogcina nje seyizithola egoke ama-overall a-orange ngenxa yokuthi mina nje naye asizwane ngo-1 2 3. Aqeda wathi ulona uHoqaba wathi hayi bekezela ntombi akuqali ngawe, wathi futhi wena nje angeke uhambe usudelele kangaka waze wangikhipha emshadweni manje ufuna ukuhamba. Wathi hayi, you get what you deserve, you make a bed, you lie on it. Hlala nawo kulawo meva lawo ozenzele wona mangabe the situation is true. uLulu Menziwa wathi no, hold my cup, I'm not gonna let this lie. Angeke uzokhulume ngaqonga ukuthi uzothula mina. Yes sis, wathi hayi ngeke ukubone ke lokho. Waphendula ke ugelo ukuthi yazini ngiyaqela sisi, please ungangiqambeli amanga songibiza ngoMathiba. Is it Matiba or Martina? Whoever that girl is, Martina Matiba, yena lo esenza ngicorrect yena andibukele. I said no, for what? Because indoda yakho yona yakupakishela amabheki waze wathatha nengubo yakho yomshado wayiphonsela phansi kwamaphoyisa. Mina ngihlangana phi nalokho because bekafuna ukubonisa ukuthi akasathandani nawe. Usho ubani? Usho uLulu. But the funny thing is that if uLulu ubengekho, would the men have done that? Because uLulu is like, I'm not the reason for ukuthi umshado wakho ubhili. I mean, what you mean? If uLulu ubengekho kuleya mshado loya bebazoqabana na? Because the reason indoda isha umfazi is because ukhona omunye nje isitofu eshisa, isitofu esiku-6 esiwisa ngisho ne-main switch. Hawu, bezomyekelani umfazi wakhe if uLulu bengekho? I mean, they could have fixed things, but because kungene umapakisha uLulu, obviously kwaqhona ku-end up to a point whereby the men had to pack their things in front of the police. Imagine. Wathi uLulu plus sengizwile ukuthi nje so monetize ku-Facebook, so maybe you're trying to get engagement ngami ukuze this month uyenze imali, but ungaze ngavelelwa yile polygamy series le yaka Netflix, because what you mean now sesibizwa ngabo Mathina or Mathipa, hayibo, just ukuthi abantu bazokwazi ukutrenda bayenze imali, bathi hayi ungazoba relevant ngami wena. If you want to be relevant, ba relevant ngawubona ukuthi kuzoyenzekalani, just because now kuvela lento zabo Jonas sengiyafakwa mina for what? Wathi futhi ngiyakhuleka, wathi uLulu futhi ngiyakhuleka ukuthi one day ube neqiniso, utshele abantu iqiniso and be honest with yourself. Kwayenzakalani emshadweni wakho ulungifaka. Ayibo Lulu, wathi uLulu cabanga nje sowuzongiqambela amanga uthi mina I opened a case for my man. Athi hayi phela mina angifani nawe, angihambi nje ngibophisana nendoda. Wathi uLulu on her last statement awungazi and nami angikwazi. That one I think ukuthi it might not be true. I mean awumazi kanjani. And then uLulu said deal with your reality wena Hope. And i-reality yakho ukuthi ubaba wengane uhambile angeke asabuya. You must deal with that reality, otherwise uzohlezi ustresse, uzohlezi ungistalker ufuna ukwazi ukuthi what is happening. Eyazi wayibanga indaba we-Netflix nawe polygamy series ngoba nje ushubile kuma-timelines.